Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Pika Labs to create AI generated animations. So make sure you will have on this website which is called pika.art, and you will be just sign up with the Google account, and when you just created your account you will be just looking like this interface and how to use it. So simply it is a AI generated software website. You will be just give them a description. I will just write it a boy animation, and what gonna do, you will be just tap on it to generate it this button, and when I was just tap on it, so it will says that sorry, Pika 2.2 version is only available to people on paid plans right now, upgraded to get in. So you will be just buy this subscribe to pro monthly, and then you will be able to use it easily. So I will just show you the method how you will just create it on Pika Labs. You will just give them description what you want to create it, about animations, about text to video. So it will be just created in just seconds.